Hi there, I'm Sipo from Robeco's Global Multi-Thematic Strategy. Today we're talking all things healthcare. From better diagnostics to faster treatment to generally just better outcomes, advanced diagnostics are really reshaping the healthcare industry as we know it today. Crucially, the tools we're using to diagnose these diseases are evolving just as rapidly as the diseases themselves. So on this topic, happy to be joined by Alyssa, who's our healthcare expert, to maybe decipher a little bit how tech is making its way into the healthcare space. So yeah, Alyssa, what's top of mind for you?
Thank you, Sipo. Indeed, advanced diagnostic is helping shift from reactive care, so treating a disease when it's already symptomatic and it's often too early, to proactive care, where diseases are caught earlier, treated more effectively, which leads to better health outcomes, but also a reduction in the long-term burden on the health system. And this is fueled by innovative tools such as liquid biopsy, next-gen sequencing, or AI-powered imaging for radiology and pathology, all of them enabling faster and more accurate diagnosis. Last year, for example, the FDA cleared an AI-powered system for cervical cancer screening, which leads to a 30% reduction in false negatives compared to traditional microscopic reviews. So one could say that diagnostics is shifting from a supporting role to actually driving better health outcome and healthcare efficiency. Okay,
wow, super fascinating data point that. I guess, taking all that together, the next question is, who are the players here? Is it sort of traditional healthcare as we know it, or is there sort of big tech getting involved? What's the ecosystem like?
So both medtech and traditional tech companies are driving innovation in the healthcare space. There is a very well-known AI-powered platform that is now used to predict 3D protein structures. That is a great example of tech stepping into the healthcare space. But medical equipment companies, especially those with large install base and rich data sets, are also uniquely positioned to harness the power of AI in healthcare if they play the cards right. We are also seeing increasingly strong partnerships between developers of diagnostic tools, pharma companies, and healthcare providers to try to drive a faster adoption of advanced diagnostics into the patient care ecosystem.
Okay, interesting. So I guess taking into account the innovation, the technology, and then also sort of big tech getting involved in healthcare, what's bringing that all together as the catalyst for, why now? Why would I invest as an investor now?
So I think there is some degree of urgency from both the economic and the social angles. We all know by now that population is aging, healthcare systems are under pressure, but also at the same time we have seen a certain degree of technological maturity, so the cost curves for computing power or sequencing are coming down. AI is becoming much more widespread even in our daily lives, so that has helped. And finally, there is also a mindset shift between physicians, patients, and payers, which are shifting towards preventative care. So this creates a unique opportunity for advanced diagnostics. Okay,
interesting. So clearly lots of structural change going on and pretty investable today with some pretty clear catalysts you highlighted there. So thanks for joining, Alyssa.
Thank you, Sipo.